All right, so I wanted to know if you guys needed some help, if we want to go in and look at some of the things we're dealing with in Intro to Heating. Will, I don't know if you caught some of the issues we were bringing up because you were struggling a little bit. You were on the struggle bus. Uh, Basically, we wanted to re-announce again. We're actually going to be requiring attendance from today onward. And so I will be putting attendance in for our video sessions that we do here on Zoom. So in addition to that, you have academic classes. I'm not sure if they sent you a schedule to your Job Corps email, but I want to make a point to tell you every day you need to check on your phone or however you're logging in, check your Job Corps email, okay, daily. Following that, because that's going to be your main line of information other than our text message system we have. So number one, check that Job Corps email, your student email. Then number two, check Google Classroom. Okay. Now to make things easier on all of us, as I mentioned before, they have Google Suite now, was paid for by Department of Labor and Job Corps. And that just has some added features, some added benefits, but I would have to copy and paste everything over that we've built already to the new platform, and all students would have to log in using their Job Corps email and password. I just feel like it's probably a little unnecessary as far as the additional security. So over time, we may migrate over to that, but for now, I want to try to bring in as many students as possible using the system we have set up before we get carried away and try to go over there, okay? Because to me, the benefit is not really there for all the amount of hassle that it would really take to get everyone set up and doing the same thing. It's really that Google Classroom is just our bulletin board and way to kind of track assignments and things like that. So it's not that essential, that it's not a requirement for us to move over there right now. All right. I'm going and share the screen. And here we are back at the grade book. And so I want, if you're near your computer now, I want you to go in, log on to your NCCR Connect interface and pull up Intro to Heating. Intro to Heating is a module we're trying to knock out first. I know it's not in numeric order with what's in HVAC level 1, but that's why they're called modules. We can study them in any order, really, unless that module has a particular required prerequisite to cover. Okay, y'all with me?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yasir was talking about he couldn't find the interactive figures that we had worked on last week. The way you find those is you'll have a menu on your left-hand side, and it will be under multimedia library. You can select a particular module. We're on Intro to Heat. Select all, and that should pop them up if they are available for a student. Okay. And on mine, I mean, I'm only able to see my screen. I'm not sure what you guys would see. So maybe you could do that now for me and tell me if you see the interactive figures there. They'll be listed right below the box that says Find Now. You with me?
Yep.
Okay. The first one is the high efficiency condensing furnace and components. For some reason, I'm not getting anyone's camera or anything like that. Here comes Yasir back in. Yasir, are you back?
Yeah, sorry. I had a problem on my mic.
Okay.
You think you have a problem?
No, I had a problem on my mic. I was on my desktop, so I just tried to connect on my laptop.
Okay.
I'm still angry.
So Yasir, I wanted to try to address your question you mentioned earlier about
Yeah.
how to get to your interactive figures. That was, if you click on multimedia library, do you have that on your My Lab and Mastering in NCCR Connect?
Oh, okay. Oh no. Yeah, I do.
Okay. When you go to multimedia library, just select the module you're working out of. Click media type, click select all and find now. And it should bring up below that the module interactive figures, the PowerPoints, and the textbook, that particular module of the textbook. You see that?
Okay. Yeah, I do.
So do you have the interactive figures on your students' side of the platform?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, now it decides to work on the phone, huh?
Who are you talking to, Will?
I think they did
Sorry.
I think they did a big update on Zoom. So unless you're logging in on on a different computer that you've been working on.
I've logged in on 3 different computers, this being the 3rd.
Oh, so what happened to the one you had in your room? That one was working pretty good.
Oh yeah, remember how I told you that one always liked to crap on me?
Oh, really?
It did it again.
Maybe you need to order some RAM. That's what I did to my laptop. This laptop I have it was built in 2009. I bought it in 2011, and what I did was I looked up the memory that it uses, and I upgraded the maximum amount you can use of the slots available. And it works tremendously since that point. It really is fast. It's pretty sturdy. So let's go back. I want to see if you guys are just hanging out in the Zoom meeting or if you're doing this virtually. Let's check out Kaya's work. So you're past due, Kaya.
I know I'm doing them now.
Module 4, trade terms, review questions, and the homework.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I was doing them in order, and I forgot you said only do module 4. So I started doing them in order.
No, we want to go, we want to stick together on the module. So you know the drill. We'll be working module 4 and going from there. And so during this week, I'm going to schedule when these other assignments will be coming due. So if you go back to the grade book, I can see. It's analytics. This is so confusing. Leaves you kind of locked in an area. Stuff. You see, you can actually see here who's missing a significant amount of questions, quizzes. Yeah, still don't see the stuff for you guys. Not showing yet. I knew how to get back to it. So taking a look, this shows us our scores right here. Calvin, you're 100% across the board. Your review questions are complete. You don't have the heating module homework complete.
Oh yeah, I tried to do that, but it was due.
Can you open that now and do it? Or get started in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Sir.
Yes, sir.
Module 4 trade terms not finished yet, and your module homework. Do you see those?
Let me check it.
See if you can open that. And
It said it's past due.
yep, past due.
I don't think it'll let me click on it.
It should still allow you to submit late. Kai, you're still working on. I see you got 95% of the reading.
Yeah, it takes 5% off for past due stuff.
Yep. If it's late, it takes 5%, which is cool. Fun. No big deal. Concept check.
Yeah, I'm working on it right. The concept checks right now. So
Okay, cool. I want to see. Where's Williams? Will?
Yep.
Concept checks are due.
Yeah, I'll have them done by this evening.
Can you open it now?
That's what I have open, yes.
Okay.
So, Frederick,
Yes, sir.
you said module 4 in introduction of heating trade terms.
Yep. You see my screen?
Yeah. Past due. Oh,
You see your name highlighted here?
yeah.
Okay. So we're missing
Commodity.
one thing for you, and that's the heating module homework. It's an assignment. It's a single assignment. Can we do a screen share with your screen? Did we do that before?
Yes, we did. But right now I'm logging on my laptop, though, but all my information is on my PC, so I'm gonna take some time to log in back to log in here. Let me try to see what I can do.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to log in here.
That would be good.
Mr. Fletcher,
Yes, sir.
your screen is confusing me though. I can't even see where to close because of your share screen.
You want me to leave the share screen?
Yes, please, for a second. I can't see my commands.
Okay. How's that?
Okay, yeah, you can go back. Yeah. Everything's good now. Sorry.
I can try to share the screen, but it says the host stays disabled it.
Let's see here. Hold on. I have the ability here, multiple participants I've selected can share simultaneously. So there may be an option for you to click to open that up now. Can you do that? Will,
Yep.
can you do that?
Do what?
Go ahead and share your screen. See if it'll give you the option now.
Yeah, it's giving me the option.
Okay. Click it, see what happens.
So Fletcher, I'm there right now.
Okay.
Got it. Can you see it?
No.
Son of a gun.
Let's see. Hold on. It may take a second.
Says I'm sharing it right here.
Okay, Mr. Fletcher, that's my share screen.
Whose screen is this?
That's mine.
Okay.
That's
It
what,
should give us the option to do multiple.
like, show multiple screens.
Yep.
Whose is up right now? Because I see mine.
No, that. Oh, you see yours?
Yes.
Mr. Fletcher, whose screen do you see?
I see your screen.
It's William. I see William's screen.
The black and red at the top, that's
That's mine.
Yasir.
Oh, I see the name. It says William Wood. So
Where's that?
Oh.
I see Yas.
Did we all get different sharing?
No, I don't think so.
Because we're seeing a different thing.
I guess I see Will's screen now.
Is that your screen, Will? Yeah, there's yours, Will. I don't know exactly how this works, but we'll figure it out. So what do we got? This is Will's screen.
Well, now you see it.
Yep. Well, why don't we just go through and help you with your trade terms real quick? Is this an incomplete assignment?
Yeah.
Well, let's roll on it. Calvin, you're the leader. You've got most work done. Sorry to throw you under the bus there. Let me grab my coffee. Hold on a second.
I think I know. Yeah, I think I did that.
I didn't know we were doing these out of order.
All right, Calvin, number one, furnace with an electric spark ignition often uses blank to prove the pilot flame has been established.
Flame recognition.
Hey, Will,
Yep.
I think that's what it is.
press Control plus on your keyboard 2 times. See what happens.
Control. Are we talking about the plus and equal sign here?
Yeah, hit Control and then the plus. One more. There we go. How about one more? That's perfect. Now we can all see it better, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. You say what was the answer for one?
Flame rec.
I think it's flame recognition.
So is it a drag and drop deal?
Was it a what?
No, just click on it.
There you go. Yeah. Okay. Number 2, a blank can reach efficiencies of 95% or more. Oh, that's an easy one. You should know this one. Yeah, see,
Condensing furnace.
condensing furnace. Who said that?
Yeah, condensing.
Oh, that's big C over here. Okay. Yep. I'll go with that. Number 3, when a heat pump is paired with a fossil fuel furnace, it's referred to as a what? What do we got for options, Will?
Okay.
Dual fuel? How do you feel about dual fuel? I'd say run with it. Number
I'm thinking it's
4.
that.
Number 4. Two surfaces that are in contact with each other and have different temperatures can transfer heat through what? Oh, that's an easy one. Contact with each other.
Conduction?
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Number 5, the chemical reaction between fuel, heat, and oxygen is known as?
Combustion.
Yes, sir. Number 6, when the outdoor temperature falls below the blank, a heat pump can no longer maintain the set point of a structure without supplemental heat. The balance point. Interesting. All right. 7, warm, rising air that is displaced by cooler, falling air results in heat transfer by means of what?
Convection.
Convection currents. Yep. 8, the current industry standard for defining the overall efficiency of a furnace is the rating system known as? Everyone?
You said what?
Everyone should know this.
What?
You guys awake?
What, an annual fuel
Yeah, I'm
utilization?
doing my work right now, so I'm not
Me
really.
too.
This one?
Yep, annual fuel utilization efficiency, AFU. 9, before fuel oil is burned in an oil furnace, the oil must be, Will,
Uh,
atomized.
but if you just give him and didn't stop rushing.
Well, I'm on my 6th cup of coffee. I apologize. Number 10, for variable speed blower performance, a system is equipped with a what?
Electrical.
Electric communicated motor, I guess?
ECM, that's correct.
Oh.
Excellent. Oh, wow. You got more to go.
Yes. There's another page left, by the way.
Okay, let's run it. A device that is used to transfer heat from a warm surface to a cooler surface is called?
Heat
Heat exchanger.
That is correct.
That is
2,
what?
the heat exchanger.
Okay, sorry, didn't hear you.
Numeral 2. When the thermostat calls for heat from a gas furnace, the main burner may be lit by a current flowing through the what, causing it to be extremely hot.
Wait. Because the main burner will
We
be.
talk about this specific component that allows the gas to ignite.
Is it igniter?
When the thermostat calls from heat, the main burner is
Oh.
lit by current flowing through the what? Hot surface igniter, HSI, hot surface igniter.
I was thinking that.
You should have said it. A furnace that can be configured for upflow, counterflow, horizontal flow installation is called the
Multi.
Let me see. Yeah, it's
Multi-pose.
multi-purpose.
Or
Oh yeah,
multi-poise.
there is multiple times.
Multi-poles, yes. A furnace that uses a fan to draw in and exhaust combustion air. Fan, known as the, what type of furnace? A furnace that is natural draft, a furnace that is induced draft, geothermal heat pump, which one would it be? Natural draft means no fan at all. Induced draft, what does it mean if we said Yasir was drinking something that turned out to be poison and we had to induce vomiting? We had to cause him to vomit, right? So induce draft means use a fan to create upward air movement through that flue to exhaust the combustion. Okay?
Okay.
The induced draft furnace. Okay? Instrument that's used to measure the pressure coming out of William's ears as he tries to set up his Zoom meeting is called
Aha.
Manometer.
huh?
Manometer.
Manometer.
What?
Yeah.
Manometer. Yeah. Put that manometer up to Will's ears, you'll see the hot air coming out of his head from frustration.
You'd be seeing steam out of my ears.
Yes, the steam pressure. A blank can open an electrical circuit but does not respond.
Let me see the answers. And it's correct.
Ooh, I see it.
Wait, go down. What?
Yeah,
Fusible
it's
link?
right there. You see it. Click it.
Fusible link, yeah.
This calls the boss lady. Hey, how are you? Doing good. Yasir, go ahead and read the next one.
What number are we at? Please take up the
It's number 7.
number 7.
Yeah.
In a confined space or tightly sealed building, there may not be enough dash to
Multi-tap.
provide make-up air to the furnace. What there is in a confined space or tight sealed building, there may not be enough blank.
Oh, infiltration.
Yeah, I was thinking about that one.
Hey, Calvin, you're learning this stuff, man. I am impressed. Number 8.
I remember.
You're lagging out, bro. You're lagging out. Sound like you have Down syndrome right now. He remembers it from something. Number 8, a blank has an AFU of less than 78%. Okay, so remember now, I told you there are 2 types of furnaces when it comes to gas furnaces. You have
Was
standard.
it an actual draft?
You have standard efficiency and high efficiency, and they are separated based on the AFUE rating, the AFU rating. Standard efficiency is at up to 80% efficient. And do you remember what the other one is?
Is it high efficiency?
Well, it's high efficiency, but what AFU rating must it meet to be considered high efficiency?
90.
I think it's 93%. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So a blank has an AFU of less than 78. Standard efficiency in there anywhere? What else? What other options?
These are the options.
I would go ahead with natural draft
Yeah.
because that's the older systems and they're not going to be high efficiency. And the last one, heating, cooling system that uses the earth as both a heat source and a heat sink. Anyone know what a heat sink is?
Mm-mm.
Okay. A heat sink,
Yeah,
you'll
I know
see-
heat sink.
Okay. In electrical devices, they use something called a heat sink, which is basically a way to remove heat from an electrical component that has heat being generated. So it's some type of device or system that allows heat to be removed. Okay.
Mm.
This is going to be geothermal. Geothermal is an interesting concept because you can actually absorb heat from a geothermal system and use it for heating in the winter, and you can remove heat from a building in the summer and put it out to the ground. Okay, so geothermal heat pump. That's your answer for number 9. Go ahead, check the answer, and let's move to the next deal. Fantastic. Okay, Will, we're going to switch over. Those ones are for you to do alone.
Okay.
We'll switch on to Yasir. Yasir, you got it?
Yeah, I'm about to share right now.
All right, cool. That's it. This is fun. I feel like this is state of the art right here.
Oops, give me a second. My
Look
body's
at
down.
this guy's fancy computer he's got here.
Do we?
Oh,
If
come
the
on.
meeting's about to end, shouldn't we restart it?
No.
What?
I'm gonna plug my charger.
What'd you say, Will?
The meeting's about to end, I think.
I don't think so.
That's
Oh,
like
yeah.
1 minute.
Okay.
Let's restart. Okay.
So where we going at?
Huh? We're gonna restart here in 1 minute. So
Okay.
we'll come back in and then we'll go back to you, Yasir, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. See you in a minute.